So I'm thinking about life on Earth and whether we are unique in the universe. And something occurs to me now for the first time, which surprises me basically. What I'm thinking is that the likelihood that humanity is all alone in the entire universe seems to me to be very remote. It seems almost impossible for humanity to be the only forms of life in the entire universe. I mean, life is special, but surely it's not that unique and that unusual that there can only be one planetary source of life. So I think that the likelihood of finding life out there in the universe is very high. Well, no, let me put that different way. The likelihood of life existing outside of Earth is very high. The likelihood of us encountering this other life is difficult to say, because of the size of the universe and our size in comparison. So it's possible that there's lots of life out there and we will simply never encounter it because of the size of the universe. So I do think that the likelihood of life existing outside of Earth is very high because the universe is infinite, and so how can humanity be the only forms of life in the entire universe? So it seems highly unlikely that we are alone in the universe. And the only issue is if we will ever encounter this other form of life or the other forms of life. So it's an unusual thought that it's kind of obvious that humanity is not alone in the universe. It seems obvious that there must be other forms of life. And to think that we are alone in the universe is kind of silly, basically. So there is other life out there. Whether we will ever encounter it is not another matter, and that's completely unpredictable. I would say it's probably unlikely because of the size of the universe. But whether or not life is there, I think is fairly straightforward, fairly obvious that there is life out there somewhere.